Hi, my name's Ashlea Finn and I'm a Business Transformation Executive at Sharing in Growth. A key challenge that many financial professionals face is how they're perceived by the rest of the business. They can be seen as the gatekeepers, the one who say no to spending money, or the people that report on the business after the fact of what's happened. I know that this isn't true, and that's why it's really important that the finance team develop their business partnering skills so that they can be seen as a key part of the team and really help a business to improve their financial decision-making processes. So today, I'd like to share my top 3 tips for improving your business partnering skills. So tip number 1, get to know your business. So take time to find out what the products they make are or what the services they provide. Take time to go and talk to your different teams, understand the challenges that they're facing or what's going really well for them. Join different team meetings, get to know the people within your business, what's going on in their areas. That way, when you're producing financial information, you can tailor it to what's actually going on and the things that are really going to help them in their area of the business. Also use the opportunity to share with them what the finance team do, how you can help them, how you can provide information that's really going to help them make better decisions or report back on their area better from a financial perspective. This will then also help to build better relationships so that you can go to people when you've got questions, or maybe they will be more proactive in coming to you. So my second top tip is always have the recipient in mind when you're producing financial information. Use that knowledge that you've gained from joining those meetings and understanding the business so that you can tailor the information to the individual. Avoid too much jargon, too much detail and too many numbers, because this can be really off-putting from a financial perspective. Create reports that help them to better understand their financial information or that pull out really insightful information that's going to help them in their day-to-day roles. Also take the time to understand what they then do with that information. Who do they share it with? What do they physically use it for? That way you can make sure the information that you provide is tailored to exactly what they need, and that can help them to make better informed decisions because the information that they've got is really aligned to what they're doing in their area. So my third top tip is don't be afraid to put your point of view across. Financial professionals can often be the only person in the room with a specific viewpoint. This could be because you're more independent to the decision being made, or because you have more information from a financial perspective that can have a significant impact on the decision that's being made. It's a really important part of business partnering to make sure that you put your point of view across and share your views and ideas. You may often feel like you're asking a silly question, but actually your question might be the one that leads to clarity on the decision to be made because of the independent viewpoint it provides or because of that additional financial information. So don't be afraid to ask a question, even if you think other people might find it silly. This will help you to become an integral part of the decision-making process and make sure that financial impacts are considered when important decisions are being made within the business. There are many different aspects to financial business partnering, but if you can improve in these 3 areas, you will be well on your way to integrating within the business and really helping it improve its decision-making process by making sure financial impacts are considered. Ultimately, you'll be helping it to achieve its strategic goals. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about this topic or the other ways Sharing in Growth can help your business, then please visit our website to arrange a free business consultation.